Hi guys and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a little brush demo slash review on the Moda brushes. So I did want to thank them for sending over a couple sets. So what we have, thank you Layla for this paper. So we have 3 sets, which we have the Mythical pink set, the Total Face Flip Kit, and the Metals 5 Bold Eye Kit. So I'll show you guys what those are. So what we have is a unicorn set. So we have some face brushes and 3 eyeshadow brushes. And it came with this cute case right here. All of their brush sets come with cases, by the way. And they also sent these gold metal ones. And that one came with this cute little case right here. This is my favorite case. And then for this travel size set, we have some face brushes and eye brushes. These are good for traveling. And the case that it comes with is this one. So I thought that was pretty neat that they all have cases. But for the most part, I use all the brushes on my face besides the eyeshadow brush. Not eyeshadow, the freaking eyebrow brush. Yeah, the eyebrow brush and one of the liner brushes. I ended up using the Pixie by Petra eyeshadow palette. This one right here. Oh, that's a bad reflection. I use this one. So if you want to see on how to achieve this look, I feel like it's really natural besides the lashes. But yeah, just keep on watching and subscribe if you're new. So I'm gonna start out with the foundation brush. So this is, a small travel size. Now, I don't really put foundation on with brushes, just because I just don't like the way it feels, but I guess we'll try it out. I have been using this one though, just to like put it all over, but I usually go back in and blend it out with my beauty blender. But I mean, it doesn't leave any streaks for the most part. So I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend this out. I don't have a concealer brush. I'm just gonna go in and just use the beauty blender. before I go in and contour, I'm gonna spray my face so it's not so dry. Why is this spray all messed up? Okay, so I'm going to cream contour with this brush, which is called the Complexion out of the unicorn set. So did I show it? Yeah, so I'm gonna use this one for blend out my contour. And I am just using this LA Girl Pro Longwear. This works really good. And I don't think it's dry, like too dry either. So I usually just bring it right there. Not too much. And I usually do one side first and then I'll go on the other side because I don't want it to dry. Dry like a huge line right there, you know? And I know I'm not supposed to brush down. I usually brush up, but I feel like I put it up too high. Sealer and clean up under here. Okay, so now after that frustration, I'm going to go in with this says a blush brush, but honestly I'd probably use it for a powder. Okay, so I'm gonna try out this powder brush for contour and bronzing. So I think that got the job done. Now I feel like I need to put some blush on. Now onto some eye brushes that they have. But these are some of the brushes for eyes. So let's see. I should go in with this crease brush. I'm going with this crease brush. Yeah, I'm gonna use this palette. Oh, I really like this crease brush though. It's really easy to just go in there and distribute it onto your eye. So we're gonna go for like a natural look today. This angled eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna use this. It's a shader brush, but I'm just gonna use it to pack on some color, some glitter. I just got setting spray in my eye and it burned for a second. I'm just gonna use this Real Techniques brush. And I'm just using the Wet n Wild. Try the Smoke Eye brush. And I always use 2 brushes on my bottom lash, just because I like to pack on a color and then I like to buff it out. So I'm gonna pack on the color with this one, which is this. These ones have numbers on them. It's an M22, but this is for like liner and brows. So whatever you want. I'm just gonna pack that on. Okay, so here we go. You know what, I forgot to put mascara on really quick. I'm going to try the lip pencil, and this is some really old lipstick from ColourPop, but I think it's still good. Okay you guys, so overall I love all the brushes that they sent me. The only one I didn't really care for was the complexions brush, because I used it for my contour and it was just not buffing out really good. So maybe next time I'll probably use it to buff out my foundation. I feel like that'd probably be better since it says complexion brush. But yeah, other than that, I really love the lip brush and the powder brush. The unicorn set was my favorite. And my favorite part about like their brush sets is you get a little case to come with it. So you can pick these up at Walmart or online. I do have a coupon code with them, which is Soila15, I believe. I will leave it in the description box, so be sure to check that out. But I did want to mention the prices for the brushes. So this purple travel set is $19.99, but you can use my code and save some money. And then the unicorn brush set retails for $16.84. And last but not least, which is the gold medal set, this one right here, and that retails for $14.99. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.